Welcome to Satish Science Teacher YouTube channel. அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Today we are going to see the book back evaluations from Standard 7 Term 3 Social Science. Under the Social Science, Geography Unit 3 Natural Hazards, Understanding of Disaster Management in Practice. So if you are tuning first time in this YouTube channel, please do subscribe and do share with your friends, then only your friends also get benefited. And don't forget to press the bell icon which is next to subscription button, then only you will receive all the videos as soon as released out from us. So okay, let's see the book back evaluations, and don't skip in between this video because this also carries a lot of information. Hazard is a dangerous phenomenon. So they may be asking one more question. Hazard is a dash phenomenon. It is a dangerous phenomenon. And hazards are termed as disasters. So hazards are termed as dash means disasters. And hurricane is a dash hazard. It is a natural hazard. And one more point, the word tsunami is derived from the Japanese word. So the word tsunami is derived from dash word, Japanese, Greek, like that they are asking. The answer is Japanese word. And the next one is cyclone. Cyclone is a dash pressure area. It is a low pressure area. நம்ம நியூஸ்ல பார்த்துருப்போம், குறைந்த காற்றழுத்த தாழ்வு மண்டலம் அப்படின்னு தான் சொல்லுவாங்க. So cyclone is a low pressure area. And the next one is fire involves three basic aspects: prevention, detection, and extinguishing. So they may be asked these questions. Fire involves dash basics, three basics. And on some of the points under the glossary section. Hazard, a dangerous event. Disaster, an event which causes enormous damage to properties. Vulnerability, severity. Mitigate means it is some of the actions that take against the disaster, so to make something less severe. Meteorology, forecasting of weather. Trembling, striking or vibration. Preventive, stop something before it happens. Extinguish, to stop a fire or light. Emergency, a serious or dangerous situation. Psychological, mental or emotional state of person. So it is known as psychological. Okay. And what is NDRF? NDRF stands for National Disaster Response Force. DDM, a District Disaster Management Authority. So these are also some of the important questions. And one more thing is DST, Department of Science and Technology. Department of Space. CSIR, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Like that, some of the main points also in this lesson. So okay, let's see the book back evaluations. Dash is a event which causes enormous physical damage to property, loss of life, and change in the environment. So both hazards and disaster, but they are giving four answers, but two options are correct. That is these two options are correct answers for this question. So hazards and disaster, whatever it may be, your wishes. Activities that reduce the effects of disaster: mitigation. A sudden movement or trembling of the earth crust is called an earthquake. A sudden overflow of water in a large amount caused due to heavy rainfall is called flood. Road accidents can be avoided by permitting the persons who have dashes allowed to drive vehicle license. The person who have a license is allowed to drive vehicle, then there is no road accidents. Fill in the blanks. The hazard is a dangerous event that can cause harm or damage to human and his property. Activities taken during a disaster is called disaster management. Activities taken during a disaster is called disaster management. Displacement of water can produce one or more huge destructive waves known as tsunami. TSUNAMI, tsunami. In case of fire accidents, call the nearby police station or the number 101 for the fire service. So this is one. So 101 for the fire service. Disaster management refers to conservation of lives and property during a natural or man-made disaster. And match the following. Earthquake. Earthquake is nothing but the creak or fault. Cyclone is a eye of the storm. Tsunamis are gigantic waves. Industrial accidents are happening because of the carelessness. Draft is happening because of the uneven rainfall. Consider the following and assertion statement reason. In the modern world, we can't live happy every day due to pollution and environmental degradation. We are undergoing a natural disaster. So this is also correct statement, but the reason cannot support the assertion. So A and R are correct, but A does not explain the R. Assertion: a sudden movement or trembling of the earth crust is called an earthquake. Reason: movement, the tectonic plates, mass, wasting, surface fault all leads to earthquake. So here the A and R are correct. Option B is the correct. A and R are correct, and B, but A does not explain A. See the question. They are giving the wrong statement. That is, the reason does not explain the assertion. Instead of that, they are giving A does not explain A, or whatever it may be. Please do according to the questions. Okay. So that's all about the book back evaluations. Thanks for listening, students. If you are tuning first time in this YouTube channel, that is Satish Science Teacher, please do subscribe and do share with your friends. Then only your friends also get benefited. And the TNPSC exams as well as board exams of school education also will be coming nearby. So please be ready for examinations and go through it again and again. Watch it again and again. Then only you will get mastifications, because the practice makes perfect. So you should mind it, and there is no substitute for hard work. If you do some hard work, then only you will get more marks in the examinations. So please, as a teacher, I am request you people, don't waste the time and do it again and again. Then only you will get more marks. So thanks for watching and thanks for subscription. Thank you.